Pioneer and Merdeka Generation seniors will be receiving their MediSave top-ups this July. Pioneers will get top-ups of between $200 and $800 depending on their age. Meanwhile, Merdeka Generation seniors will receive annual MediSave top-ups of $200 for the next 4 years.
Letters are being sent to the seniors to inform them of their benefits. The MediSave top-ups for both packages will cost the government $270 million, and these MediSave top-ups are in addition to the MediSave top-ups for Singaporeans aged 65 and above in 2019 under the GST voucher scheme.